Hi, I'm Courtney Eckerly here in the Media Center at Marketing Sherpa Summit 2017, and with me is Jonathan Levy, who is the Senior Digital Marketing Manager for FlexJet. Welcome.
Hi, Courtney.
So to start off, just tell me a little bit about what you do for FlexJet.
Sure. I am the Senior Digital Marketing Manager for FlexJet, and I oversee all the digital marketing, analytics, advertising for FlexJet, as well as overseeing the marketing for Skyjet, our sister company.
Okay, great. And Skyjet is actually the company that you're talking about today in your session.
Yes. Yeah, we launched an app back in 2015 and launched a second version of it in 2016. And I'm excited to be here at the Marketing Sherpa Summit to talk about the app and all the success we've seen from it.
Great. So just to start off, tell me a little bit about the opportunity that you saw with expanding into mobile and developing this app.
Yeah, so it all started back in October, basically Q4 of 2014. There was a lot of disruption in the charter marketplace with other startups having apps, and we had a mobile website, and we started doing Google advertising, specifically mobile-only campaigns in Q4 of 2014. And then in Q1 of 2015, we continued our Google AdWords and the digital advertising, and we saw a 50% increase in mobile traffic to our site quarter over quarter, and then a 177% increase in quote requests from mobile. So there was a huge increase, and that was really the key driver to end up getting the internal buy-in to do a mobile app, which we started shortly thereafter in Q2 of 2015.
Great. So what were the steps that you took to develop it?
Well, first off, we had to do the whole RFP process, finding an agency, and finding the right agency. So I went out and did an RFP to about 10 agencies, and various agencies with specialties, with different companies, different types of clients across many verticals. And we ultimately decided to move forward with a short list of agencies that had experience in the travel sector. And we ended up working with a firm out of San Francisco that has done apps for Hotel Tonight, Travelocity, Expedia, among others. And we continue to work with them today, and the whole process, once we decided to work with them, we did a concept workshop or a discovery workshop, which was a 2-day session in San Francisco with me as well as some other key stakeholders from Skyjet. And it was a great part of the process for developing the mobile app, because it allowed us to further define the scope of what we needed to do with the app. And then it also allowed our agency partner who developed the app and designed the app to have a better understanding of what our business goals were with the app and just in general with the business, and then to really settle in on which features that we wanted to include. Obviously the big features in our app, the key differentiators were Apple Pay and the instant pricing, ungated instant pricing actually.
Okay, so if I'm your customer and I want to book a private jet, I go into the app and then what? What's the process like for me?
So it's as simple as downloading the app, entering your itinerary, reviewing options or instant prices, and booking your flight. And doing all that with the ease and seamlessness of Apple Pay allows you to do it between 30 and 60 seconds.
Wow. So I'm a mogul on the go if I'm using your app.
Yeah, it's designed for the jet setters, the ultra high net worth individuals who are familiar or comfortable with booking their own travel. While we do have some clients that have their personal assistants book the flights for them, we do see a lot of end users, the actual people that are flying, booking the trips. And believe it or not, 33% of our business comes from digital.
Oh, wow. So what are some of the results that you've seen from this?
So we saw that the app actually calculated 1,500 itinerary searches on a weekly basis. So obviously the 33% of our business comes from digital, website and mobile, the mobile app. it has changed the way we do business. It allowed us to become a true on-demand private jet charter provider by offering the instant pricing, the instant booking, and a great user experience to top all that off has really been a great for the brand and allowed it to compete in a very fragmented space.
This sounds like it's been clearly a very transformative effort both for you and for your customers. So for marketers who are attending your session today, who are maybe trying to do something similar, what do you hope that they will walk away with?
So the key takeaway would be that mobile marketing is very broad, and if you're going to do an app, you need to have a really clear focus about what you want to offer in it and have a great user experience. Because if you have a great user experience, people are going to just gravitate towards using the app and they'll continue to use it. And once you develop a great user experience, you obviously have to get people to use the app. So my discussion with Dan later is going to cover the mobile marketing strategies. It'll touch on a little bit of the agency or the process that we went through to select an agency and what it looked like to develop and work with a partner on that. As well as advertising and promotions, App Store optimization, PR, digital advertising, user acquisition, as well as user re-engagement with push notifications, as well as all of the elements that you need to sort of impact the app user lifecycle, which is acquisition, growth, retention.
Well, great. Thank you so much for taking the time to sit down with me.
My pleasure.
Great.
Thank you.
And if you would like to see more content, please visit marketingsherpa.com.